Have you ever wondered why middle-income families experience financial difficulties even if they earn around $4,000 to $7,000 per month? In our daily lives, we often face financial challenges that can make things difficult. You may be one of those people who have asked this question, but many people think that the solution is simply to make more money or to blame someone else for not doing enough. In today's video, we will take a closer look at the lives of average people, especially families with relatively modest incomes, to reveal the real reasons behind the financial problems they face. By the end of this video, you will know what are the reasons, and most importantly, I will give you a solution to the problem. So hit that like button as a sign of support and let's get started. Let's paint a clear picture of the families we are discussing here and what we mean by average or middle income households. Imagine the following scenario. The husband brings home about 3.5k per month after taxes, while the wife earns approximately 2.8k monthly, also after taxes. Now, envision this family of 4 includes 2 children in grades 4 through 8. A striking characteristic of these families is their aspiration to own a home. They view home ownership not only as a financial investment, but also as a symbol of security for the wife and a stable place each child can call their own home. Achieving this dream often involves pooling personal savings with contributions from family members, sometimes even close friends. However, due to the high cost of housing in the US, this process typically includes taking on a substantial mortgage. At this stage, the family might have managed to pay off only a quarter of their mortgage, with monthly payments consuming a significant portion of their income. And let's dive even deeper into the family's lifestyle choices, particularly regarding vacations and technology expenses. Vacations are a meaningful part of this family's routine because they believe it's important to take breaks and spend quality time together. Their goal is to go on a vacation at least twice a year. Ideally, one of those trips is a domestic gateway to a popular US destination such as Florida or California, while the other might be involving exploring some international destinations such as Mexico or the Caribbean. These trips are viewed as opportunities for relaxation and creating lasting memories. But they come with hidden costs. Let me explain. While the family enjoys the convenience of all-inclusive vacation packages, the quality of food provided may not always meet their dietary needs. All-inclusive packages are popular because they are relatively affordable, offering a week of meals and entertainment without worrying about additional expenses. However, the family may not prioritize the nutritional value of the provided meals, seeing it as a rare chance to indulge. While this might seem harmless in the short term, it could have long-term health implications. Over time, such indulgences may contribute to unforeseen health issues, including weight gain and chronic conditions. Although a single vacation or indulgence may not directly cause these problems, the family's overall approach to food and health might cultivate unhealthy habits. Eventually, this lifestyle may lead to reliance on medications and treatments for health conditions that could have been prevented through healthier lifestyle choices. It's essential for families to consider the long-term effect of their dietary habits and prioritize health even when working within tight budgets. This behavior also extends to the family's approach to technology. Parents often feel it's necessary for their children to have smartphones or tablets to stay connected and fit in with their peers. While this helps children feel included, it also adds to the family's financial burden. They even may resort to taking out loans or buying devices on installment plans, further straining their budget. Moreover, the family's attitude toward vacations and technology reflects broader societal trends. There is a significant social pressure to keep up appearances and provide children with the latest gadgets, even if it means stretching the budget. This perpetuates a cycle of consumerism where families prioritize material possessions over long-term financial stability. Overall, while vacations and technology can improve quality of life, families must strike a balance and consider the long-term impact of their spending habits. By making informed decisions and prioritizing financial well-being, families can enjoy the benefits of these luxuries without compromising their future. Let's explore another critical aspect: saving. For many families, saving money isn't just a habit, it's a deliberate strategy aimed at gradually accumulating funds for significant expenses like home renovations, dream vacations, or investing in big-ticket items such as new appliances or a car. Beyond saving, leisure activities have become a costly family tradition. These moments provide much-needed relief from the stress of moderate incomes and ongoing expenses, offering a sense of relaxation and satisfaction. From occasional trips to the movies to attending live events or sports games, families carefully allocate time and resources to various forms of entertainment. Special occasions like birthdays and holiday celebrations are often marked with elaborate gatherings regardless of the household financial condition. Parents feel a strong obligation to give their children a sense of a normal life, let's call it, and joy, even if it means stretching their budget to the limits. Among these expenditures, there's often a noticeable lack of direction and purpose. Life becomes a constant struggle to make ends meet, with fleeting moments of joy becoming increasingly rare. To compensate, families may indulge in unnecessary spending or justify impulsive purchases with the belief that they will somehow make up for it later. Ultimately, these spending habits are fueled by a deep-seated desire for emotional satisfaction and meaning. Whether it's vacations, pursuing expensive hobbies, or keeping up with appearances on social media, these activities offer temporary relief from an otherwise challenging existence. Over time, the financial strain begins to build, leading to arguments and conflicts within the family. Without clear goals of their own, parents often try to shape their children's lives by enrolling them in costly activities, all in the pursuit of tangible achievements. However, the family struggles with a serious lack of resources, occasionally alleviating by selling inherited assets or taking on multiple jobs, whether locally or as a last resort abroad. Unfortunately, despite their efforts, the family's financial situation continues to struggle, resulting in increased dependency and a declining quality of life. While previous generations emphasized frugality, today's consumer-oriented society encourages a culture of instant gratifications, perpetuating a cycle of wastefulness and financial strain. This lifestyle inevitably leads to financial dependency and the false belief that someone else will secure your future. Yet, what's often overlooked is the burden these short-term pleasures place on our long-term well-being, paving the way for financial struggles and health issues down the road. But the situation isn't hopeless. There is a solution. By setting a clear goals and following a well-structured money management system like the one I share with the people I work with, families can break free from this cycle. Before I forget, if you are struggling with a lack of money, there's a link in the description that you can click on that basically explains how we can help you solve that problem. I really don't want to offer you anything. I'm not going to sit here and tell you how great we are. You can check it out for yourself in your free time if you feel it. Bye.